Ordering food online in Myanmar. We order food online when we're sick. We order food online when we're lazy. We order food online when we want to save time. And we also order food online when there's a discount in foodpanda and we want to save money. So my mom asked me to order her breakfast from Yakun on foodpanda because she saw there were some promotions going on. Breakfast arrived. This is for my mom, her favorite laksa prawn noodles. I'm gonna go and give her that. And this is my breakfast. Oh, hello, Papa. You wanna be in the video? Okay, Papa always has to be here when I order from foodpanda. I just love their little toasty, crispy kaya toast from Yakun. The best way to start the morning is with a coffee. Good coffee. Toasty, and the butter is just so buttery and creamy. You know, I've been eating at Yakun for so many times. I love their food, especially their Hainanese chicken and rice, and I also love their curry noodles, chicken curry noodles, and of course their laksa prawn noodles, and their drinks. I also like their fruit drinks. I dine there a lot, but I also order from them because even without these like celebrations of foodpanda, they also have like discounts going on, so it's convenient and money saving. As I finished breakfast, I came to think what to eat for lunch. My mom made fish curry, which nobody really likes. And then I remember I can still order the voucher code with my foodpanda account. So I did. So my lunch arrived. I just got KFC because I don't want to eat curries or rice. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Lots of salt packs. Good. Napkin. I got us plate to do some nice platings. Ooh. So, 2 original and 2 spicy. Let's eat.
Hello.
What?
Pow pow.
Oh, you want to be in a video?
Pow pow.
Okay, I almost forgot my friend. Pow pow.
Hello.
He will be right here. Let's start with the original. You know, my favorite flavor of KFC is definitely their original because they're better outside. It just tastes so good for me. But if you want like a bigger piece, I recommend you get the spicy one because their pieces are just bigger. Ooh, there's a big loop. The inside is hot and juicy, and the outside is crispy. Next, let's go to the big piece. Ooh. So crispy. Almost done. You guys remember my picnic video from last time? So for their next celebration of their 5-year birthday, they collaborated with WavePay. From December 9 to December 13, you can get 5,000 jets off with the promo code FPWAVE. You got popular shops like Yakun, T2's, YKKO, Moog, and also KFC. And you know me, I never let go of good deals. Everything's gone. 4 pieces of chicken with 4 packets of sauces, all by myself. I might order more the next day. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. There are always promotions on foodpanda, so make sure you check it out. Subscribe and I'll see you again next time with a video login out.